a refund on Starbucks is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get a refund on Starbucks app. So for that we will go to the Starbucks application. Now as you guys can see, we are at the Starbucks application. In order to get a refund, you simply have to call them. So how can you call them? In order to call them, you have to tap on your profile and it will show a page something like that. Here you have to tap on the help section. In the help, it will take you to your browser. In iOS it will take you to Safari. In my device it took me to Google Chrome. There you have to scroll down until you see the option for call us. So you just have to tap on give us a call, and then you have to describe the issue. So I'm just going to type in refund, and after typing in refund, that is just load. I'm just going to tap on that option. Or wait a minute, I did a mistake. So you just have to go back. You just have to tap on the give us a call button, and there you have to describe an issue. Just type something and then you have to scroll down, and then you have to tap on this button, which is didn't find an answer. So you just have to tap on that button, and there you go. This is their phone number. You simply have to give them a call and let them know please refund it, so they will be able to do it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.